We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Described as a ray of sunshine in Taiwanese literature, the late Lin Haiying was born in Osaka, Japan in 1918 to a Hakka father and Fulao mother. She spent most of her youth in Beijing, only moving back to Taiwan in 1948 with her husband, writer Xia Chenying, and 3 children to develop her career as writer and literary publisher. A prolific author, Lin penned numerous novels, essays, and children's stories. Embraced on both sides of the Taiwan Strait, her best-known work, Memories of Peking, South Side Stories, was made into an award-winning film in 1982. This classic work is a collection of 5 stories portraying the adult world of 1930s Beijing as seen through the eyes of a little girl. Simply and directly, Lin handles with sensitivity and lyricism the sense of loss and bewilderment the child feels as she discovers the uncertainties of life and human relationships. In addition to writing, Lin also served as an editor at the United Daily News Literary Supplement from 1953 to 1963, where she helped foster important local writers like Zhong Lihe and Zhen Qingwen. She continued to cultivate a fertile environment for literary development in Taiwan through the establishment of a highly successful publishing house in Taipei.
Hello, folks. It's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. Very good, huh? All right. You know what? April Fools. I hate April Fools. You know why? Because I'm the fool. I always get fooled by all my friends and family members. 愚人节的时候啊，每次都会被骗。
安公啊，
我很笨是不是？我就知道。She just said I'm stupid. 安公。
安公。
Okay. Well, anyways, I have a lot of Hakka friends now, so they might lie to me and stuff. So I want to learn how do I say that to them. You lied to me. That is nonsense. 你乱说，你骗我。
你偏愛。
你偏愛。你騙我。That means you lied to me.
你偏愛。
你偏愛。How about 你亂說? That's nonsense.
你亂講。
你亂講。
你亂。
哦，亂。
你亂講。
That's nonsense. You're not making any sense. 那如果倒过来好了，我给人家开玩笑了，然後人家生氣了，比如說我騙了你，然後我說開玩笑了，對不起。
哎呀，失禮啦。
失禮啦。
失禮。
I say I'm sorry. 失禮。
開玩笑啦。
開玩笑。開玩笑。I just made a joke. Okay, so around April Fools, you can do that a little bit, and hopefully everything will be fine. Okay, that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.